I think I'm going to call it quits tonight. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a fly mashed into the side of the tank. Yep, can't see anything, but there is a fly mashed in there. There's a couple of little black specks that seem to have ended up in there. On the side panels, it looks like there's little flecks of something in there, which I guess is crap I've kicked up, or I don't know. It looks bubbly. I'm not happy with it. So it's all going to have to be flattened back again. I'm tired and I'm grumpy today, and I just cannot be bothered. Yeah, I'm tired. I've had enough for today. Plus the frigging gun keeps leaking out the top of the lid, so I need to look at that. Very tedious. Clearly I'm not a painter. Not the most successful first attempt. At least it gives me a feel for it. I did manage to get a dead fly stuck in the side of this one. There's a blob of something and a slightly coarse texture to the top of this, so I'm not quite sure I went wrong there. This bit though has some legs stuck in it from one of the flies that landed on it, so I'm going to have to find a solution for this. Have another go at it at some point.